This is Nashimar, the CEO of InfoTaxCard.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. What expenses qualify as educational expenses for tax purposes? In this program, I am going to cover what are the qualified and non-qualified education expenses and what is the purpose of Form 1098T and Form 8863. In most cases, education expenses are included, such as to enroll or attend an eligible education institution. Payments for tuition and mandatory fees is necessary. AOTC, which stands for the American Opportunity Tax Credit, covers expenses for books, supplies, and equipment that are necessary for a course of study even when not directly paid to the school. Fees necessary for enrollment or attendance, including student activities fees, is also part of the qualified education expenses. Payments made for an eligible student, including yourself, your spouse, filing jointly, or dependent for whom you claim an exemption, are known as expenses for an eligible student. Now we are going to discuss what are the non-qualified education expenses. The cost of the room and board includes both housing and meals. Student health fees are included in insurance and medical expenses. The cost of transportation and from school, such like a back and forth. Personal expenses that are related to living or family, such as sports, games, hobbies, or non-credit courses, unless necessary for a degree program. Now we are going to discuss what is the purpose for 1098T and what is the purpose of 8863, because both are used in order to claim the AOTC and lifetime learning credit. AOTC stands for American Opportunity Tax Credit. So what is the purpose or how to report qualified education expenses for tax purpose? In order to make a claim for educational expenses on Form 1040, you will mostly use Form 1098T and 8863. What is Form 1098T? The education institution offers 1098T to report the amount of tuition and related expenses paid during the tax year. You can use it to calculate the amount of eligible education expenses for credits such as the American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. What is Form 8863? The American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit are examples of education credit that Form 8863 is used to calculate and claim. Form 8863 completion requires information from Form 1098T. Now let me summarize it. We have qualified and non-qualified education expenses, which has to be understood properly in order to claim for the educational tax credit. And Form 1098 is a statement which is issued by the institution who was paid for the qualified tuition, whereas the Form 8863 is an IRS form which is used to report the amount which was paid to the qualified institution for qualified educational expenses. I request you to please subscribe to my channel to receive the most up-to-date and accurate tax information in your email regularly to enhance your knowledge. Thank you and God bless you.